everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. My name is Belinda Beauties. Today I'm going to be doing a terrarium. I've been wanting to do one of these for the longest time, and this year I said it's time. And I'm going to be using all Dollar Tree items that I purchased on my last haul. Beauties, if you want to see how I put this terrarium together, then please keep watching. But before that we get started, I just want to ask if you could please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also if you could tap or click that bell icon so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. Okay, my beauties, let me go ahead and show you the items that I'll be using to create this two-tier terrarium. All right, a garden dish, a small glass bowl. It kind of looks like a fish bowl. You can also use a bigger bowl like this one. They also have it at the Dollar Tree. I'll be using 6 succulents. I'm going to start by emptying out the rocks into my bigger bowl. I also added some black sand into the small bowl. I started off by using the bigger bowl and see how it would look, but I ended up finding out that I needed more rocks, so I went ahead and I went back to my original bowl that I was going to use. Because my Dollar Tree didn't have succulent picks, I ended up buying these little succulents that come in the little pots. But all you have to do is just pull out the succulents and they come out right away with no problems. And this is all that you have to do. You just have to also clean them off because they do have a little bit of foam on them, and that's basically all that you do. I went ahead and I added some rocks to the sand. Okay, so now I'm going to start adding all the succulents to my terrarium. I moved them around here and there till I finally got the desired look that I was looking for. Okay, my beauties, I'm done with my do-it-yourself terrarium. This is the first for me. I really enjoyed putting this two-tier terrarium together. I'll probably be doing a bigger one in the near future, but for now, I'm happy how this one turned out. I decided to display it here on my sofa table. I really do like how it looks here. By the way, I have a DIY video for the tray the terrarium is sitting on. I'll go ahead and link it up above if you're interested. Okay, my beauties, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next video. So bye-bye and God bless.